Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to be making this patty melt. And when I tell you this is a quick and easy guide to the perfect patty melt, I'm not even kidding. So I'm going in with some seasonings. Don't worry, I'll list them in the description box below, but it's very simple. And I'm only making a patty melt for myself. So this patty melt, I just did about a shake or two of each seasoning, being sure to be generous, but being sure to also be mindful of the salts. Once I've added all my seasonings in and I've combined it, I went ahead and smashed it out super thin. I mean, even when you think it's thin, it's not thin enough, so smash it a little bit more. Then I pulled that off to the side, and now we're just gonna slice up this onion. Now you can choose not to use onion, but for me, onion is flavor, and what's a patty melt without onions? And on this step right here, I'm just really frying up some bacon. Everybody knows how to fry bacon, but here's the secret to preventing that grease from getting out of control. Start with frying your bacon on a cool pan and allow it to heat up on low heat so it can render out a lot of that fat, but it does it so slowly that the grease doesn't really pop as much. It's not as aggressive. Just trust me on it. But get rid of the grease from out your pan once you've fried all your bacon up, and you're just going to add some butter, about a tablespoon, and then your onions. Now, don't worry, you can go ahead and scrape the bits from the bottom of the pan as your onions cook down. That is flavor. But after your onions have allowed the opportunity to cook down about 2 minutes or so, you're going to add in your patty. Now these patties are very small, so they only take about 1 to 2 minutes on each side until they're nice and well done. That's personally how I like my burgers. And then we're just going to assemble. So bread, cheese, meat, onions, bacon, cheese, bread, and you're gonna make sure that you have enough butter because you want that nice golden crust. So what you're gonna do is add your sandwich right in the pan on top of the butter, and you're going to smash it to get that bread nice, buttery and crispy, and that inside is filled with flavor. So you're gonna get it nice and golden brown, and of course you got to go in with the diagonal cut. I mean, honestly, is it really a patty melt if it's not even cut? Now, I did add mayonnaise, and I ate it with pepperoncinis on the side, but this is what it looks like. Nice and beautiful. It was really good, y'all. But honestly, this wasn't really a full recipe. This was more of a don't forget about it Friday type of thing. So should we start doing that? I think that's kind of nice. Don't forget about it Fridays, where it's not really this complicated recipe where things that you don't forget about. I think that's what we're gonna do. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Let me know, what do you think? Bye, y'all.